Good morning, friends. I am Surya Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I'll be telling you how to grow strawberries in pots easily in your home, in containers, in terrace gardening, or in your balcony. You can easily grow. Just buy some of the plants from nurseries. These kinds of plants are available around 25 to 50 rupees each. Nursery people sell these kinds of strawberry plants. Different varieties of strawberry plants are there. You can buy any kind. And here just take the soil mix. I will tell you the simplest soil mix that takes flat pots as far as possible, because the roots doesn't do go too much deep, and plants grow through the horizontal position. And here I am taking 50% garden soil and 50% compost as soil mix. Any kind of compost, maybe vermicompost or cow dung compost. Cow dung compost will be 1 or 2 years old, will be much better. Mix it well, and this is the simplest soil mix that you can grow compost here. And if you want, you can add little bit of neem cake powder. This contains lots of fungicide and some micronutrients also. So this is here, and if you want, you can add little bit of seaweed extract for as a micronutrient, but I am not adding today. So this is the mixture I am doing, and there should be hole at the bottom of the every pot, and cover the holes here. And now the distribution of soil, and here I am growing the plants here. And just taking out the plant from here, just see from the growing bag, I am cutting off the bag here and collecting the plants from here. You see the soil mix the nursery people are providing, very rich in some nutrients, and some of the very well drained soil, lots of broken pieces of rock, and some broken pieces of some bricks also. And here I am placing at the central position. You see that I am placing in the mound position, that makes some pyramidal shape, and crown portion should be above the ground level, because if you bury the crown position, the plants may die. So you have to be very careful in that position. Now I have grown both the plants here, and after growing the plants, you have to be very careful, because they are very prone to fungal infection. So you have to apply fungicide. You see, these are the fungal infection. They are very prone to fungal infection. You have to apply fungicide every week, at least 3 times in its lifetime. Here I am applying Amistar. This is a systemic fungicide. You can apply hexaconazole or tebuconazole or difenconazole, any kind of triaconazole fungicide, 1 ml per liter once in a week. Or if you want some organic fungicide, you can use Trichoderma viride, 2 gram or 3 gram per liter. And if you are using chemical fungicide, 1 ml per liter once in a week or 10 days. And you have to drain the whole plant and drain the soil as well. And this is the only method you have to apply, and let them grow. Put the plant in full sunlight, and you have to water the plants regularly, and you will see the in a few times. And after that, you place the pots above a inverted pots. You see how I am placing the pots properly. This is the right method of growing strawberries in pots in your terrace garden, and easiest. Let them grow, and I will show you after a couple of days. Welcome back, friends. After 45 days, now my plants are ready, and you see the plants are grown totally, and they are ready to be flowering. This is the small type of strawberry. They are around 1 inch, and here the bigger strawberries plants here, they grow around 2 to 2.5 inch strawberries, and they have started flowering also. White color flower, beautiful flower. And the mid size, you say these are the strawberries. The minute strawberries you can see inside, they will develop into strawberries. It will take around 1 month to develop into full strawberry. These are, you see the flowers here, 2 flowers are there. And in the mid you can see the yellow color, that will develop into greenish and then to red strawberry in 1 month. So this is the here. And if you want, you can propagate it through these runners. Every time they grow the runners, and they are the develop some roots. So you just push down the in soil, and you can get these kinds of plant in a 15 days time. You can get these kinds of saplings of these strawberries. If you buy one plant from any nursery, you can make 20 to 10 to 5 plants in a season. In 1 month or 2 months time, you can get at least 25 plants from there. through the runner. So this is I am growing here. This is the free of cost you can get this strawberry plants. You can distribute it among friends. And now what you have to do, you have to extra add some soil mix here. 50% garden soil and 50% compost again I am mixing. If you want you can mix humin gold or humic acid, fulvic acid if you want, or you can add some epsom salt also here, or some micronutrients as seaweed extract you can add. Here I am not adding anything. And fill up the again soil that are not filled up. So I am again applying little bit of soil here. And after the filling up proper, you have to apply some mulching, because when the flower starts their flowering you have to apply some mulching that I am showing you in later part, you see. And once the flowers appearing you have to apply some rice straw or some of the rice husk or some of these kinds of mulching you have to apply, because if the fruits touches the soil level there may be some of the fungal infections. We have to save the plants from the any of the fungal rotting of the fruits. So I am applying some rice husk. If you apply you can some rice straw or wheat straw, they are the best mulching material, or you can coconut straw also. Coconut fiber you can also as a mulching agent. And you have to keep it and you have to water it properly. You have the plants, keep the plants in full sunlight, and the plants will bloom lots of flowers, and you can get hundreds of strawberries from these plants. They look nice, they eat nice if you get, and they are the full of nutrients. So you can grow strawberries. And this is the here. And if you want you can grow in some organic organic, some of the organic fungicide or insecticide you can use. And fertilizer I am telling you, if you want you can apply 20 NPK 2 gram per liter as a foliar spray once in a week will be fine. And in that case if you apply, if you spray NPK 20 or 19 you don't have to apply any kinds of organic fertilizer. This is the chemical fertilizer I'm applying. And this is, and if they are the naturally flowers them, but if they are not flowering at all, then you can apply miraculum. This is the triacontanol 1 ml per liter once in a lifetime, or twice in a lifetime you can apply. Then there would be some sufficient flowering and all. So this is all. And here. And if you want you can buy any plants. This is the right time to buy strawberry plants from nursery, and this is the time you can grow easily. So you can get lots of fruits, totally organic fruits at home. And there are lots of hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you very much.